Evil Pretty Penny. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to today 1578 of What You Up To Now, documenting the journey, business journey primarily, of different offline and online businesses. Primarily started doing this to keep track of and kind of have a daily journal of what am I doing as I come online from the offline world. Corporate America over, almost 5 decades. Corporate America over a quarter century, almost 5 decades owning and operating different types of businesses in all different types of industries. Pretty crazy. But our idiom for supersize your business today was a pretty penny. And a pretty penny, of course, means something that's very expensive, very high price, high income, high cost associated with it. And we tied that to how do we use that in our business to supersize quickly and grow our business? Well, we use it by offering different packages or different levels of products and services that we supply to people. And even in the manufacturing industry, we can offer customized, tailored solutions that we sell at a higher price than the things that we sell every day to everybody else, right? So manufacturing is my love, and it tends to be we're making as many and selling as many of something as we possibly can, and they all cost about the same thing. But we can, even in that environment, create packages and customization to charge a higher price for to a different level of customers. So customers that love our soap, for example, we could offer a customized version of our soap to them, right? It's a lot like private labeling, where we think private labeling a lot of the times is less expensive when the store brands do groceries and things, but we can do it the other way too. So any business, any industry, we can add different levels of pricing and cost and income to our organization that helps us to supersize and grow our business. And I actually, I knew this before I came online. We would bundle things together and we would offer complementary products and services that went along with our manufacturing product. But online, I learned that you can offer actually higher ticket, higher cost, higher touch, higher delivery, higher done for you, or coaching, or holding people's hand and walking them through the process, or doing it actually for them in different aspects of whatever your business is, whatever your products and services are. And you can charge more money if you do it for them than if you sell them a course or a book on how to do something, right? So that was our topic today, pretty penny. And the higher cost, higher profitability items that you sell can grow your business a whole lot faster to whatever your goal or objective is than if you're selling a penny item, right? If we're selling penny taffy or penny candies or something, we have to sell a whole lot of them to make $1 million. But if we're selling a high ticket coaching program or a done for you SEO or ads agency or whatever, we can charge a lot more for that, and we have to only sell maybe 1,000 or 10,000 of something versus millions of something to make that same $1 million. So it's all what fits with our business, what fits with our goals and objectives for our business, and what it is that we're trying to create. So pretty penny. See, I can take almost any idiom and make it apply to something in business and how to grow and supersize your business. Our discussion today for the BU 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that improves us was all about something we talked about the 1st of May in our financial idioms for the month, and it was money is the root of all evil. Now, that is probably, if not the most misquoted quote from the Bible, it's in the top 3 to 10 for sure. Money is the root of all evil is absolutely not what the Bible says. I think it's Timothy 6:10. Apostle Paul talks about, I think it's Apostle Paul. I better look that up. Yep, Paul. Apostle Paul. I wouldn't want to say it's Peter when it's Paul. Apostle Paul says that the love of money is the root of all types of evil. Now, that doesn't mean money is the root of all evil, right? He says money can be one of the root causes of evil, right? Just a possible one, not, and different types of evil, right? There's all kinds of types of evil. There's a little bit of evil, kind of bad or naughty or mischievous. And then there's hardcore corruption, evil, manipulation. There's a whole spectrum of evil, just like there's a whole spectrum of good. We can do a little bit of good, or we can change the world and make it a better place. We can do a little bit of evil, or we can do a lot of evil. And money helps. It's just a exchange of value. We can use it for good or for evil, and it's up to us to decide. But our discussion today was around what your belief is. If you believe money is evil and bad, you will push it away and you won't want to invite it into your life, unless, of course, you think that you are evil and bad. Same is true of if you believe money is good and can be used for good, you'll welcome it into your life so that you can make the world a better place. So we talked about that today. Few challenges I'm finishing up this week. If there's anything I can help you with, please ask. Projects in the works. It's my 7-year-old granddaughter's. It's my oldest granddaughter's 7th birthday today, so I'm excited about that. I've been a grandma for 7 years, and I absolutely love it. And my other granddaughter is just turned a year in February, so lots of fun. I'm not going to lie, I'm hoping for some more grandchildren, but it is what it is. It's up to the kids to decide how many kids they want to have. But if I can help you anyway with respect to business, online business, offline business, business questions, or personal growth and development, or chronic pain, or vision challenges, I am legally blind, just ask, right? That's what I'm here for. I'm here to be a resource for you. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.